The 3650E model is a high-capacity and portable sawmill designed for woodworking. It can process large-diameter trees, making it ideal for large-sized lumber production. It attracts attention with its user-friendly controls, durable structure, and high cutting capacity. Advanced technologies increase the cutting quality and life of the machine. Bosch brand debarking machines are designed to clear the bark of tree trunks in the wood and timber industry. These equipment come in various models that can adapt to different sized trees and perform bark removal with high efficiency. Bosch machines, which stand out with their ease of use and durability, accelerate the workflow of businesses and increase production efficiency. Cambio 800 debarker is a debarking machine used in the wood processing industry. This machine is specifically designed to remove bark from tree trunks in timber production processes. Cambio 800 is generally preferred in medium to large-scale timber processing facilities and is known for its high processing capacity, effective debarking performance, and ease of use. Mibber VTZ 1100/1300 is a high-capacity woodworking and sawmill series designed for sawing large-diameter tree trunks. It has powerful engines and advanced technologies that offer high accuracy in cutting. It attracts attention with its ease of use and ability to adapt to various cutting needs. Ideal for increasing efficiency and quality in the wood processing industry. Barco 240 dangle is a powerful dangled head processor used in the forestry sector and performs tree cutting and processing functions. It offers high maneuverability with its freely swinging head and provides effective operation even in difficult terrain conditions. It stands out with its durable structure and ease of use. The Black Splitter U56-5 is recognized for its efficiency and durability in log splitting. Designed for compatibility with various machinery, it is a versatile tool suitable for forestry, landscaping, and construction. The U56-5 excels in splitting logs, making it a valuable asset for both commercial and personal applications. Its construction from durable materials ensures longevity and reliable performance in challenging conditions. Folk is a company specializing in cable plows for laying pipes and cables without the need for traditional trenches. These cable plows are special machines designed to make the installation of underground utilities more efficient. The plowing technique is used to create a narrow trench in the ground into which pipes and cables can be laid. This method is less destructive and faster. The Python 5000 Pothole Patcher is a state-of-the-art road repair machine designed for quick and effective pothole repair. Can repair potholes in just minutes, far quicker than traditional methods. Functions effectively in various weather conditions, ensuring consistent road maintenance. The TigerCat LX830D is a powerful forestry machine designed to cut and harvest trees in logging operations. It has a robust engine, logger head for cutting and harvesting trees, high ground clearance for rough terrain, operator cab for comfort, and a powerful hydraulic system for precise control. It is a major player in the logging industry, making tree harvesting more efficient. Mulcher PT300 is a heavy-duty forestry machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management. It is widely used in forestry, construction, and agriculture for tasks such as mulching shrubs, and small trees. Key features include a powerful engine, durable construction, mulching head attachment, and the ability to work in difficult terrain. This machine helps in clearing land and managing vegetation efficiently in various industries. A liquid manure mixer is a device or machine used in agriculture to mix and agitate liquid manure or slurry, which is a mixture of animal waste, such as cow manure, and water. The purpose of a liquid manure mixer is to maintain a consistent composition of manure and prevent solids from settling to the bottom of storage tanks. This ensures that the nutrients in the manure are evenly distributed and can be applied more evenly when used as fertilizer for crops. Liquid fertilizer mixers are often used on farms to improve the handling and application of manure, contributing to more efficient and environmentally friendly agricultural practices. Bulldozers are essential in construction, mining, and other heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with a large front blade, they are used for moving earth, debris, and other materials. Operating bulldozers requires skilled handling and adherence to safety protocols. Regular maintenance of bulldozers is critical due to the stress of heavy loads and challenging working conditions. Bulldozers play a key role in land clearing, road construction, and mining operations. Manitou MLT-737 is a telescopic loader model manufactured by Manitou and commonly known as a telehandler. Telehandlers such as the MLT-737 are versatile machines used primarily in agriculture and construction. They are equipped with a telescopic boom that can extend forward and upward, allowing them to perform tasks that typically require cranes, forklifts, and loaders.